Alright, I'm processing some more wood. And I got some of these rounds here that I won't split. Some of them I will split once. This old red oak. But I wanted to run these two saws. This one I had to do quite a bit of work to, from carburetor, spark plugs, rebuild kit, and everything. But it seems to run pretty good. It's the CS300. So that's a 30cc saw. And then we got the CS310, which I didn't do quite as much to. It has a new Savior bar on it. But I wanted to run these two a little bit in this wood and see how they do, and show you how much you can do with a little saw if you only wanted a little saw. And sometimes I don't want to run a big saw. I just want it to be peaceful and quiet and not break my back. All right, I'll just start up each one. I think I'm going to start with this CS310 at first. I haven't cranked them up yet this morning, so we'll see how they start. It's got the Savior bar on it. Got prior bulb. Choke. It's on. Perfect for the wood stove. End up with that thing on. Got one down here. bucket. try that little bit bigger one. See how well it does. Let's split that one in half. That does pretty good for a little 30cc saw. We'll get up this top handle, see how well it does. It's debatable whether I need to split that size or not, but it doesn't hurt to split it. We'll keep this little chunky here. So, what can you cut with a 30cc saw? Let me set up a couple pieces here. We'll set up a couple pieces for this top handle and see how it does. That'll be good. Let me reach behind you here. Grab this little top handle. I haven't quite got it all the way tuned yet. It's close, but it's a little fickle. So it's got the bulb choke. Can you cut stuff bigger with that? Yeah, you can. It'll take a while. It's amazing that that's 30 cc's. That's 30 cc's. I did not replace the rings in that, and this saw had a lot of use to it and abuse. Probably could use a set of rings in it. Would probably help it out. But for that little using branches and trimming just little stuff, I'm just showing you these. I wouldn't normally use that for doing that. I'd rather have the rear handle. It's easier to operate cutting firewood. But they're good little saws. If you ever run across one of these little saws, you can kind of see what it'll do. If you're not cutting a whole lot of stuff, probably wouldn't make me a big deal, you know. Most of this I could cut up with that. But for what you pay for that, you get one of them cheap Chinese 62 cc's with a 20-inch bar on it. Now how long it lasts, who knows. This is probably 20 plus years old, so is that one, and that got a carb, filter, spark plug, tank vent, fuel filter, and a cleanup all around, and it seems to be running all right. It's not 100%. Like I said, it's got a kind of low compression, so for what we use it for, it'll work. It'll do the job. And then if I can find a set of rings for it, I'll probably pull it apart and put a set of rings in it. That'll be a wintertime project. But it's a good little saw. They run decent. All right, would I process this whole pile of logs with this little saw? Nah. But I want to run it a little bit. Get some heat in it, and then I'll go back and tune it up again. They don't run bad.
Throw that one. I'll throw that one. Throw that one. Throw that one. Huh? The screen went crooked. Nice little workout this morning. I wanted to run a tank through that saw. Let it get good heat in it. Long splitter, I love that.
Yes. Yeah, I just wanted to run that saw a little bit, and the other one I'll just keep here at the sawmill for a trim off saw. But like I say, that one's not ported. I got one that's ported, and I've run that one quite a bit. So I wanted to get some heat in these. These Echoes seem to like when they get warmed up. They're a little cold natured, but once they get warmed up good, they cut really well. Strong saws. So yeah, and that's with most of them. Now I get to do the hard part, split it all. But it's good to run that. Kind of shows you, even with a little 30 cc saw, what you can cut up with it. I mean, that's probably close to 12-inch log. You know, it's great for these little stuff, but I mean, I could process this whole thing with that little saw without any issue. There's nothing here too big for it. So, you know, if you're ever looking for a little saw and you process a little bit of wood here and there, or you just want a light saw sitting around the place, one of these little CS310s will work good. So, yeah, great little saw. Now to start the real workout, and I will see you guys later.